Indent cell Google Sheets. How do I tab down in a Google Sheets cell? To indent a cell in Google Sheets, you can use these methods. Method 1, using spaces. Manual method, 1. Double-click the cell or press F2 to edit it. 2. Press the spacebar multiple times to create an indent. 3. Press Enter to apply. Method 2, using custom formatting. 1. Select the cell, S, you want to indent. 2. Click Format Number Custom Number Format. 3. Enter this format, **, add spaces before the @ symbol to create an indent. *. 4. Click Apply. Method 3, using a formula. 1. Use this formula for indented text, equals report, 5, and A1**, replace A1 with the actual cell reference. Adjust the number of spaces as needed. *. These methods should help you format cells with indents in Google Sheets.